Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by grabbing your pedicure kit and sanitizing tools. This prevents infection and makes cutting easier. Once your basin is ready, soak feet for 10-15 minutes to soften calluses and nails. While soaking, inspect nails for discoloration or pain so you can adapt steps. Make sure to position a towel and container under your feet to catch water and clippings. After the soak, gently pat dry and proceed to trimming, while nails are softer and less prone to splitting. Once toes are dry, trim nails straight across, leaving a small white edge to prevent ingrown nails. This technique reduces pressure and pain later. Next, file in one direction to shape and smooth. Avoid sawing motions which weaken nails. Use a pumice or foot file on calloused areas in gentle passes until skin is even. Treat only until comfortable. Then apply cuticle cream and softly push back with a stick. You are removing excess skin, not cutting it, to preserve protection and reduce infection risk. Finish by deeply moisturizing with a rich cream. Massage into heels and arches to restore skin elasticity and improve circulation. If you polish, use a base coat, 2 thin color coats, then a top coat, allowing full drying between layers to prevent smudges. Once done, clean and resanitize tools before storage to maintain hygiene. If you notice pain, redness, or swelling, stop all treatments, soak and disinfect the area, and avoid cutting. Consult a professional if symptoms persist or worsen to prevent complications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.